silence of the morning, before the world wakes up, before the noise, before the rush. There is a voice, not a human voice, not a voice made from words, but a voice made from rivers, from mountains, from rain, from the wind touching the trees. And if you listen carefully, the earth is still singing. Golden sunlight paints the hills, morning air so calm and still, tiny drops on flowers shine like little stars in perfect time. Birds awake the sleepy sky, clouds begin to slowly fly. Nature breathes in harmony like a living symphony. Every river has a soul, every forest makes us whole. Every wave upon the shore whispers stories from before. Mountains standing proud and high, touching edges of the sky. Silent giants made of stone, reminding us we're not alone. Close your eyes, hear the rain, wash away the fear and pain. Feel the wind upon your face, nature's warm and soft embrace. If your heart is ever mountains, waterfalls in slow motion, forest sunlight through leaves, ocean waves crashing on rocks, snow falling quietly, deer running in nature, night sky full of stars. Somewhere far beyond the sea, a child still dreams beneath a tree, watching sunsets turn to gold, learning life without being told. In the jungle's beating heart, every creature plays its part. Tiny ants and giant whales, every life leaves behind tales. Flowers blooming after rain, beauty born from fear and pain. Nature teaches us to grow, even after falling low. Deserts made of endless sand, carved by time's invisible hand. Every grain and every stone has a story all its own. forever free. One day, our footprints will fade. Cities may fall, buildings may break, but the mountains will remain. The oceans will still dance with the moon. The wind will still carry songs through the trees. Nature does not hurry. Yet somehow